Your laundry is taking too long. We know the surprising reason. You've probably noticed that the program often lasts longer than what's shown on the display and barely changes. Here's why and what you can do about it. The first possible reason is the valve connected to your washing machine. Check if it's fully open. If it's not, the machine takes longer to fill with water. Another crucial step is to inspect the washing machine filter to ensure it's not clogged, as this affects its performance. Overloading the drum is another common reason for extended washing times. Make sure not to exceed the recommended load. As you might guess, this is a very common issue. When doing laundry, make sure to leave about 1/5 of the drum empty. Also, check your washing machine's load capacity to avoid overloading, which automatically extends the washing process. Another mistake many people make is using too much detergent or fabric softener. Excess suds signal the machine to work longer. Follow the instructions on the detergent label for the correct amount to use. By following these tips, you'll make your washing machine run more efficiently and save yourself time.